This is the Fiji Sun I just got from Amazon. I'm going to show you guys everything that came in the box as well as how to put it on this adjusted tilted stand here. So it did come with the stand, and then this is the Fiji Sun unit itself. Comes with some wrapping on the bulbs, on the cage wiring. Also comes with its plug for the wall. And then inside here we've got 2 pairs of goggles, which you will need to use and wear every time you turn on and use the sun lamp. And so it comes with the owner's manual, which we'll talk about how to ignite the bulbs. They usually get jostled during transit and need some extra ignition. And then we've also got here how to install the stand right here. Those instructions come in as well. And then it's got the warranty registration, which you need to fill out, address, name, all that kind of stuff, and then mail it in. Right, and following the installation instructions here for the tabletop stand, we're going to go ahead and take off. On either side of your Fiji Sun, there's going to be these little black knobs here. Just go ahead and unscrew those. Keep them around. There's what's going to keep it in place on the stand itself. Then we're going to go ahead and take the metal stand. You want this straight edge bar facing the front of the unit. And then we'll go ahead and raise it up, slide it in on either side here. Once it's clicked in place, go ahead and turn it. And we'll put those knobs back on here. Tighten them to your desired level. You can angle it at any angle you want to position it for your body. Same thing on this side. Once those are in place, you should be able to tighten it a little bit and hold it at whatever zone you want. Go ahead and take these off. And next we'll read through the owner's manual here about everything and how to ignite those bulbs and make sure it all is working properly.